Maintaining a clean and fresh home environment can be a daunting task, especially for pet owners or families with young children. Spills, stains, and pet accidents are inevitable, and traditional cleaning methods often fall short. This Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner machine is a powerful and versatile tool designed to tackle even the most stubborn stains on carpets, upholstery, car seats, and furniture. This detailed review will explore the features, benefits, and real-world applications of the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner, making a compelling case for why it should be your go-to cleaning solution. At the heart of the Ailltopd carpet cleaner lies a robust 450W motor that delivers an impressive 11 kPa of suction power. This super suction capability ensures that even the most ingrained stains and debris are effectively lifted from your fabrics. Whether it's pet urine, spilled beverages, or everyday dust, this machine handles it all with ease. The strong suction system not only cleans deeply but also facilitates rapid drying, so your carpets and upholstery are ready for use sooner, contributing to a healthier home environment. One of the standout features of the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner is its innovative dual water tank system. This system comprises a 08L sewage tank and a 108L clean water tank, stored separately to ensure efficient cleaning. The clean water tank can be filled with water and a cleaning agent, which is then sprayed evenly onto the carpet or upholstery for optimal cleaning results. The sewage tank collects dirty water, and it's crucial not to exceed the max line to maintain the machine's suction power. This separation simplifies the process of filling, draining, and cleaning the tanks, enhancing the overall user experience. Designed with convenience in mind, the Ailltopd cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver, weighing only 93 pounds. Its compact design means it occupies minimal space, making it easy to store under a sink or in a closet. The machine comes equipped with an ultra-long hose 357FT and power cord 164FT, allowing you to clean large areas without constantly searching for a power outlet. The hoses and wires can be neatly stored on the machine's built-in brackets, ensuring your cleaning area remains clutter-free. The Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner is not limited to carpets. It is designed to clean a wide range of fabric products, including sofas, mattresses, car seats, and more. The machine comes with two sizes of brush heads, each suited for different types of stains and cleaning areas. The larger brush head is ideal for extensive surfaces like carpets and mattresses, while the smaller brush head is perfect for tighter spots and intricate areas. This versatility makes it an indispensable tool for maintaining various fabric surfaces in your home and vehicle. In addition to its powerful performance and versatility, the Ailltopd cleaner is incredibly space efficient. Its compact footprint 076M2 ensures that it can be stored easily without taking up valuable space in your home. This feature is particularly beneficial for those living in apartments or houses with limited storage options. Despite its small size, the cleaner does not compromise on power or functionality, making it a practical choice for any household. Ailltopd stands behind its products, offering a 1-year warranty to cover any quality issues that may arise. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their responsive support team, ready to assist with any questions or concerns. This peace of mind is an added benefit, ensuring that your investment is protected and that you have support when you need it. Imagine having guests over and a glass of red wine spills onto your brand new carpet. Or perhaps your beloved pet has an accident on the living room sofa. In these situations, the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner becomes your best ally. Simply plug it in, fill the clean water tank with water and cleaning solution, attach the appropriate brush head, and let the machine do its work. The powerful suction and dual water tank system ensure that the stain is not only removed, but that the area is also left dry and ready to use. For pet owners, this machine is particularly useful. Pet stains and odors can be notoriously difficult to eliminate, but the Ailltopd cleaner's deep cleaning action ensures that even the toughest pet stains are dealt with effectively. The machine's portability also means you can easily move it from one room to another, tackling stains wherever they occur. Conclusion: the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner machine is a powerhouse of cleaning efficiency, combining robust suction power, a dual water tank system, and versatile cleaning applications into one compact unit. Its ease of use, portability, and space-efficient design make it a valuable addition to any household, especially for those dealing with frequent spills, stains, and pet accidents. If you're looking for a reliable, effective, and convenient solution to keep your home spotless and fresh, the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.